My name is Alvaro Garcia. I'm the VP of Product Management and Global Engineering for Fulham. Our company focuses on providing complete lighting solutions. We do everything from providing LED drivers, emergency power supplies and backup systems, the modules, and really light engines to help our partners really create beautiful luminaires. The goal of our company is to provide the complete ecosystem required for lighting solutions. We have our Elite Blue control system powered by Silvair. This allows us to do lighting controls with our LED drivers. We're also able to do emergency self-diagnostic and reporting using the Silvair platform. So by providing a complete driver, module, and control solution, we enable our customers to provide a complete lighting package. So what makes us unique from our competitors is we're able to provide a complete package from the light source, the drivers, and the control system. We're able to integrate our controls into our drivers, so it's a seamless integration into our partners' luminaires. Fulham focuses on providing some of the most innovative products in the lighting industry. We have one of the most energy-dense LED drivers, emergency power supplies, and by integrating controls within our product, we're able to cut down on manufacturing time for adding secondary and third components necessary for controls. We're able to integrate that within our products and really allows our OEM customers to minimize manufacturing time and really have a seamless installation in the field. Our customers value our approach to integrating a programmable LED driver, so you're able to do constant current programming of the output current, which allows essentially one SKU for various different applications. With integrated controls with our partner Silvair, we're able to really provide a turnkey solution for our OEM partners.